Welcome, budgeters. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I wanted to do a review of the new reopened 10-year Treasury Bond, FXD1 2024-10, dated 6th May 2024. It's actually closing on Friday, so if you would like to bid for this, you need to be very, very sure and ready to put in your bid by the end of this week. It is a reopened bid, so you will have to pay more for the accrued interest period, and that's what I'm showing here, the 1.8462 per 100 shillings. You'll have to pay extra for the period that has already elapsed, and I think it's been a month or so. Yes, and this will be the May bond, and we can proceed to the prospectus and we can go through the details of the yield and the pricing. So you can see they're looking for money for budgetary support. Tenure is 9.9. It's already done 1 month, like I said, so it was first opened last month. The coupon rate is already predetermined. It's 16%. Period of sale was from 25th of April to 2nd of May. Value dates, you need to pay by 6th of May. That's the value date. Price quote, discounted premium par. Minimum amount is 50,000. Interest rate or coupon payment dates are those ones, as you can see. Taxation is withholding of 10%, so it's not interest free. And this is because it's a 10-year bond. Redemption dates, or rather the maturity date or the end date of the bond is 13th March 2034. So like I said, this was a March bond. That's when it was first launched. And I would also like to mention that there are two types of bids, so non-competitive and competitive. And as retailers or individuals, we normally go with non-competitive bids. Competitive bids are mostly for the bigger organizations like banks, brokers. They're the ones who go for competitive bids because they usually can get slightly higher interest rates because they are putting in more money. Another important info, or rather another section of the prospectus that I would like to highlight, like I said, they are saying that investors should confirm the status of their bids to or within the portal by Friday, 3rd of May. Very important. So bid closure is 3rd of May, and I think this is attributed to the May 1st holiday tomorrow. I'm recording this on 30th, so that's what I'm saying tomorrow. Payment details. Investors should obtain the payment key and amount payable for successful bids from, again, the Dow CSD portal, and you should make your payments by Monday 6th. And then they've indicated here bid closure should be Thursday 2nd. This is a bit confusing because they say that results will be confirmed on Friday, but the bid closure is on Thursday. Sorry for the confusion. So you have to make sure your bid is in by Thursday 2nd of May, and you'll know your results whether or not you've been awarded by 3rd of May. Payment details as well will be confirmed with the results, and then you are supposed to make your payment by Monday 6th of May. For another important section of the bond that you need to know is that actually it's the Monday. The Monday is a very key important date, so make sure you make your payment by that said date. I would like to make a disclaimer that personally I will not be bidding for this bond. I'm mostly looking out for infrastructure bonds for this year. But if you're interested to put in your money, it's a 10-year bond. Withholding is slightly less because of the period. And the coupon schedule is there. 16% is still not a bad return. So if you are interested, please make sure you put in your bid by Thursday. I'm sorry I've not been doing a lot of these reviews because, like I said, I've not been bidding a lot on some of these built-in bonds of late, so not been able to get up to speed with the prospectus, but I thought it would be important for me to revisit and share for those who may be interested in still investing in bills and bonds. So with this particular bond is closing on Thursday, or rather the bids closure is on Thursday, so make sure if you're interested, put in your bids ASAP. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow. And thank you for always being in support of Budget NKE channel.